When it comes to our Heavenly Father, Yahweh, you have to be willing to do solely what he tells you to do, no matter how people might look at you, what they might think about you, what they might say and feel. Only your walk in your life matters with him. How he works it out, how everyone else will get involved, that's on him. We have to be fearless and courageous in our faith with our Heavenly Father. You can't spend time worrying about how things will work, because faith is knowing that things will work even when you can't see how they will. Throughout the many people of the Bible that Yahweh used, most of them seemed crazy. Noah seemed crazy when he told everybody about the ark. What? Yeah, all right, whatever, Noah. Moses, he seemed crazy trying to lead people out. They was like, we should just stay in Egypt. People look crazy. People looked at Yahshua like he was crazy when he was healing the blind, doing these things that his father sent him to this earth to do. People looked at him like he was crazy. You're going to receive that. But don't worry about that. In the end, when our Heavenly Father says, well done, my faithful servant, I bet you won't think about how many times people looked at you like you was crazy, or worry about being looked at as crazy. Joshua 1:9 says, have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened, and do not be dismayed, for Yahweh is with you wherever you go. Deuteronomy 31:6 says, be strong and courageous. Do not fear or be in dread of them, for it is Yahweh who goes with you. He will not leave you or forsake you. We can't worry about what someone thinks or is going to say if we do what our Heavenly Father tells us to do. We can't worry, oh, they might think this, they might think that if I obey him. So what? If we do what we're supposed to do, it's what we're supposed to do. That's all that matters. He will take care of the rest. It just said he will not leave us nor forsake us. He's with us at all times. If that's who you're putting your life in their hands, then you have to understand that those hands are holy and righteous and loving, full of joy, peace, love. That sounds like somewhere I want to be, in the hands of our Heavenly Father, where that presence is like that. So who cares what they think? We should only care about what he thinks, because they won't tell us, well done, faithful servant. He will.